February is here. It might feel like the winter is still here, but in the garden, this is the month where the magic starts. Today, I am showing you the essential jobs you need to do right now to set up your garden for a massive harvest. First up, it's time to get growing. We start off our hardy vegetables. Think about onions, cabbages, cauliflower, salads, and there are a few more. I will list them here beside me. I will start them indoors on a bright windowsill or with grow lights, and I will also use a heat map to speed up the germination process. When they come out of the soil, I will take them off the heat map. I will bring them under cover here in the greenhouse where they can grow a little bit further, and in March I will plant them out throughout our garden. Next, let's talk tubers. It's time to chitting your potatoes. So basically it's waking them up. Place your potatoes in an egg box or on a tray with the eyes facing up. Keep them in a bright, cool spot, so let these sturdy green sprouts grow before planting out our potatoes. If you didn't bought your varieties yet, it's a great time to order your seed potatoes. And while you're ordering your seed potatoes, don't forget to order your seeds for throughout the year. And now for some groundwork. If the soil isn't frozen, you can still apply a fresh layer of compost onto your vegetable beds. The microbes will love you for it. While you're down there, keep an eye out for weeds. So it's quite a big root already, so it's better to remove them now in the winter before the spring is coming and before the summer is coming, because we are too busy with harvesting our vegetables. And in my last video I reclaimed this piece of land. There were weeds in it, but I expanded my growing area, and you can see the video here in the corner. So this small growing space will be a project into future videos, because I want to see how much food we can harvest out of this small area. So definitely something to keep an eye for. Last but not least, grab your pruning shears. It's the final window to prune our apple tree, our pear tree, grapevines, kiwis. So now they are still dormant for the pruning. We will prune for function, but also keep an eye out for the 3Ds. Prune anything that is dead, damaged or diseased. This opens up the canopy for a bigger harvest later on. Just remember to skip our cherry tree and our plum tree, because they like a summer haircut. And there you have it. A little bit of work now means a lot of reward later on into the season. Which of these garden tasks are you tackling first? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden tips. This channel is all about growing practical skills and growing roots. For now, I would say happy gardening and see you in the next.